Welcome back students to our next class of adverb. In today's class, we will learn about adverb clause. Let's start with what is an adverb clause? An adverb clause, as the name suggests, is a clause that does all the functions of a normal adverb. One can identify an adverb clause by asking when, where, how, why, and how often. To know how adverb clauses are actually used, watch complete video. How to use adverb clauses. Adverb clauses, as discussed earlier, can be used to provide information about when, where, under what conditions, how, and why an action is taking place. They also give the reader a description of an adjective and an adverb. Always remember that an adverb clause begins with a subordinating conjunction like after, whether, if, because, although, even though, etc. Adverb clauses can be found in the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. Let us look at some examples and see how it works when used in the different parts of the sentence. Here are some examples of adverb clauses at different positions in a sentence. Examples of adverb clauses used in the beginning of a sentence. If you work hard, you will be able to score good grades. In case you like it, let us know. Although they drove really fast, they could not reach there in time. Before you make your decision, make sure you think this through. As soon as you meet her, call me. Examples of adverb clauses used in the middle of a sentence. My cousins, though they told us that they would not come for the movie, they somehow made it. He remembered, after he left the office, that he had not sent the EID report. Remia, since she was not keeping well, decided not to go to work today and tomorrow. My friend, because he does not like working in the IT field, started his own company. Digital money, even though it has been made legal all around the world, is not accepted or considered safe by common people. Examples of adverb clauses used in the end of a sentence. Aaron was made to practice the song for the competition until he sang it perfectly. Angel kept rambling on and on as if she wanted to prove that she is broke. The dog got so comfortable with my brother after he cuddled her for a while. We felt time was very slow because we were sitting idly. You will be able to go to the theaters to watch movies as long as there is no lockdown. Now let's check what you have learned. Here you will see some sentences and you have to identify the adverb clauses in those sentences. Diaz came first in the dance competition because he had practiced for almost 2 months. If you like it, you can take it. Danny follows a strict diet in order to stay fit. Unless he is interested in the plot of a movie, he does not watch it. Hector, in order to reach school early, decided to take the metro today. When the clock strikes 12, you will have to stop writing. Make sure you buy it only if you like it. The football gallery at Loyola, where we used to sit and talk, has been demolished. Although he finished working with his project, he continued to make corrections. Those green shoes, even though they are too big for him, goes with his style. Now let's check your answers. We have highlighted the adverb clauses here. You can pause the video. Were you able to identify all of them? How much adverb clauses you have guessed right? Or if you have any question or queries, you can let us know through comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.